Okay, real quick. Part 1, part 3. Good with that part. We need more room because we're pulling the transmission too, so we gotta get that son of a bitch up. Are you recording already?
Yeah, I mean, why not?
Yeah, we didn't film an intro.
Oh, it's bright.
Where we want it because that'll stay no matter what. But now it really doesn't. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Yay, light.
Oh,
Oh, jeez.
you're welcome. Very simple solution to this.
Boom.
Look at that.
Yeah, like.
This episode of Life on Wheels, it's day 3 of Z build, and whole front of the car is off, and the engine's about ready to come out. But we gotta cut some of the exhaust off. Woo, shit. Oh,
Jesus.
too much power. Not scripted. That was not part. I need help. Alright. Oh no! The pants about came off. Okay, let's do it. Woo, great start.
I didn't mean you had to edit it out. I'm saying he needs to watch
Kenny
it out.
needs to watch his mouth.
Yeah, he needs to watch it out.
Jesus, okay. It's coming down now. Whoa! Alright, now you're probably asking the first video, or maybe they're both together. I don't know. I haven't edited any of this yet. But day 1 we have recorded, day 2 we don't. Now today's day 3. I forgot the battery to the camera when I charged it, so I live like 2 hours away, or an hour away from where
2 hours away.
An hour, okay, probably 45 minutes, but further than I want. But this, I thought this exhaust was a little bit newer than what I thought it was. Apparently it's not. It's like an original NVIDIA exhaust when they first came out with them for the car. And all the bolts are rusted so bad I can't get them off, so let's see if that'll work. The flex pipes are fucked anyways. They gotta be replaced, so I could just cut them off right at that weld and they'll have to be replaced anyways. Here we go! Alright, jacket. Okay. That's easier. Okay. Yeah. Ah shit, you lined me up wrong.
Did I?
Oh, bad.
Oh.
It's cutting like this.
Oh shit.
So that whole pipe's fucked.
Okay.
Give me the new blade.
Where's it at?
Somewhere over there, I think. Over on top of the car. Do not touch that blade. Yeah, that sucker was glowing.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Why does this one give me so many issues? The other one went zippity quick. Blade! There we go. Fucking hell. Alright.
3.
There's so much coolant on my back. Alright, we'll see if that works. Fuck.
What'd you just drop?
Some stuff.
Really? You want to tell me all about it?
It's not like I really need a flashlight.
Yeah, we got that floodlight that you're standing in the way
I
of.
know. It's kind of hard to not be in the way of the floodlight here. I just realized something. I'll sit on backwards.
Looking like an idiot part 2.
Yep, as usual. Do we know what we're doing? No.
No.
Are we doing it sleep supervised? Most likely.
Mr. I go to sleep at 5 o'clock.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
It'll work it.
Oh, I
Oh, he just did.
I heard. Love you, Colin.
What is this tool bag?
Yeah, his tool bag's still. Got it. Oh God. Holy shit.
What?
He's got an assortment of pliers.
Really?
Wow. I feel spoiled now. Thank you, Colin.
Hey. That's pretty good.
Small clip.
Oh, I thought that was a socket. a socket.
What?
Wrist pin. Oh shit. Part of the piston. There it is. Need some more ass to it. Trevor, come pull on that that yellow strap up there. You don't have to pull on the chains.
I'm not pulling on the chains.
Alright, pull on. Cut off for a second.
My toolbox. I'm gonna say
Oh, my
everything's so
toolbox.
easily laid out mine.
yeah.
That's why I just refer to mine because it's just there.
God, I love this impact. Makes everything easy.
Got it?
Nope. No, that's not right. No, that's just to support the engine. I can keep pressure on it till I get it
Get it.
jacked up a little bit. Yeah,
So it holds its own.
it'd be loose.
Alright, you got tension.
I don't. This is sketchy lift, guys.
Extremely.
Here, let it down. Keep bringing her up.
Yeah, it's still a little loose down here.
No, it's not. Ooh. Something settling. Okay, down in here, we're gonna jack up the front, and we're gonna bring the car down slowly. So we gotta get the jack stands out, and I think the transmission is completely free from underneath there.
Yep, it's free.
Okay.
This is exciting.
Is it?
Exciting.
So where am I lifting it up?
You'll see it right here. That's all structure.
Okay.
Bracket. That's attached to another bracket.
There we go.
See? Those is connected. Those wires aren't connected. That's connected to engine. That's connected to what we're pulling out on this side. All that is not connected.
Fuck's
Oh, we got another ground.
Fuck.
That didn't hit the ground. Good thing the engine's coming out. It's in the way.
Nissan.
The
more you know.
That wasn't focused.
Did that come off? Where did that come from?
There you
Hey, look! I found another part for the engine.
Wow.
That looks really important. We can keep that. That's just a spare part. It's about all that's left that's good on this engine. Think with the dipstick, Jimmy. A little more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah. Tell me when we get close to the top of the arch, whatever the fuck. I can't think of the name.
Where the transmission sits at?
Yeah, at the very top of the shit.
What about?
Oh, hello.
Jesus Christ,
Okay.
Kenny.
We're stuck on. Got to grab a little bit.
She really had to leak.
Of course, I had to forget this.
The one thing that we forget. Finished it, putting the engine back in.
Yeah, I wish. There you go. There we go. Ha-ha! Got it.
How about that?
Bring this down a little bit. Damn it, we gotta replace one of the power steering lines. Fuck that up.
Alright.
Okay, we got the engine transmission combo out. But, we fucking stupidly forgot to take one of the AC lines off, so we gotta find a replacement for it and take it off of the car. In the meantime, we're gonna get the. Really want to go get rid of this engine tomorrow and scrap it because it's completely useless. So we're gonna do an initial tear down on it down to what we need it to. Guys, note to self: do not do intros drunk, or else you're gonna have to reshoot this shit all over again. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Really do appreciate it. It takes a lot of effort to make a video like this. Now, if you want to become part of Life on Wheels, post pictures of your builds, come see us at car meets or make our car meets even better. Link is down in the description. Now, if you have any suggestions to make these videos better or just want to say hi, leave a comment down below. I'll get with you, and if you leave a suggestion, that's awesome. I want to make these videos as good as possible. So, I have nothing else to add, so peace out, stay motivated.
No!